Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to add bookings in Outlook for 2025. If you're juggling meetings, appointments, or client schedules, Outlook's bookings feature is a game changer. It's perfect for professionals, small businesses, or anyone wanting to streamline their calendar without the hassle. By the end of this video, you'll be adding bookings like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Outlook installed. Aim for the 2025 updates to access all the new tools. Open your Outlook app on your computer or go to the Outlook web version. Once you're in, navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Look for Bookings. It's that icon that looks like a calendar with a plus sign. If you don't see it, you might need to add it from the App Store within Outlook. Now, click on Bookings to get started. You'll see a dashboard where you can create a new booking service. Hit the New Service button and enter the details, like the name of the service, duration, and any pricing if applicable. Don't forget to set your availability. This is key for 2025's updated interface, which lets you block off personal time or holidays easily. Add any staff members if you're collaborating, and customize the booking page with your branding for a professional touch. After that, review and save your settings. Outlook will generate a shareable link. Copy it and send it to clients via email or embed it on your website. Test it out by booking a slot yourself to ensure everything works smoothly. One tip: always double-check your calendar sync to avoid overlaps with existing events. There you have it. Adding bookings in Outlook is straightforward and efficient. This feature saves time and reduces scheduling errors, making 2025 your most organized year yet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.